Alright people, welcome back to another video of how much they make on YouTube. So in this video I'm gonna do Intense. Intense name has been hot for the past couple of days. People are say yo, Intense are buy views. It's been a long time topic still, but for the past couple of days people kinda get it out of hand and I say yo the artist really are buy views and all of them something there. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I'm gonna share my thoughts on what I think Intense is actually doing. So stay tuned and subscribe for that. So as me say, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that post notification bell for further notification posts. So with that said, let's get right into it. So before we get right into it, we just want to make some disclaimer here. This website that I'm using to find out how much Intense make off YouTube is basically, it gives you an estimate. This is a public website, a 100% free website where you yourself can go on and see how much Intense is making and how much other YouTubers is making on YouTube. As I said, it's estimate, so it can be a little less or a little more. So let's see how much this artist is making, because it definitely a buzz right now. I'm one of the most trending artists right now. Even though in name not really call upon certain good things like say yo my buy views, but either way it a promote him. So with that said, let's get right into it. So as you can see on screen, this is the official Viva right here. As you can see, you have the ESS part 2, you have the new here, which are big band song and all of them something. So you search that on Social Blade and this is how you get. So let me just clear up something. So you have 78 uploads and 357k subscribers. They're very close to 100 million views on him YouTube channel. They're 96 million views, which is a lot of views either way, because this artist not around for 5 years yet, so him really are going good. And in music them really a hit place, because you don't might get a lot of hate, a lot of people rate in music them, because New Year, I think New Year one of the biggest song him sing, even though it might not have the biggest views, but I think New Year are the biggest song him sing, big bad song right there. So and as I said, you know, in the music and everything. So let's get right down into the revenue. So in monthly earnings, in estimated monthly earnings is between 1.9k to 31.1k on YouTube. This is in US dollars. So let's go to our converter. So the minimum you can make is like, as I said, this is an estimate, is like 1,900, which is around 286,000 Jamaican dollars, which either way is a good money to make from music on YouTube. So let's say make like 31,000. This is how much you get it off YouTube in 1 month. So 31,000, that right there is, let me make sure I'm getting these digits right. So if I'm not wrong, I believe this is like $4.6 million off YouTube in Jamaican dollars in just a month. Whether you live in the United States or in America, that is a good amount of money to make off YouTube in a month. You can definitely live a lavish lifestyle in the United States or in Jamaica if you earn that money. But let's say make half of that. So that half of that is around 15,000, 16,000. I'm just gonna put it at 15,000. So 15,000 is $2.2 million in Jamaican dollars. As I said, either way, if you're making this in the United States or in Jamaica, you definitely can live lavish. To be honest, if you're making like, I would say even $4,000 or $5,000 a month in the United States, I believe you can live lavish if you want, not to mention Jamaica. So I would say the safe part, if you want to live lavish in the United States, is probably around $10,000. Yeah, I think around there you should be able to live lavish in the United States if you make 10k a month. So with that said, let's go on to the yearly earnings. So the yearly earnings range from 23.3k to 372.7k. So let's do the conversion again. So 23.3k, so 23.3k which is 23,300, is $3.5 million. As I said, that is a good amount of money to make off YouTube by just doing music. So with that said, let's type in the maximum he can possibly make. So that's 372, I believe. Let me see, 372,000. Let's round it to there. So that is, I believe, that is $56 million off YouTube. That is the maximum he could possibly make off YouTube. So let's cut that in half. Half of that is like what? I would say 18 or 16. Let's put it at 17,000 a year off YouTube. Not 17, 170,000 off a year off YouTube. That is 25k. That is $25 million in Jamaican dollars, which is a good amount of money whether you live in the United States or in Jamaica. So right there you see how much Intence is making a month and how much he's making a year. So let's go to the daily and the weekly. So daily makes around $65 and to 1k daily, and $65 in Jamaica is like, I would say, 6 grand, 7 grand, around that, or maybe 8 grand now or so, around there. And 1k is way over $100,000 in Jamaican dollars, and the weekly average is $453 to 7.2k. So he can make close to $1 million, if not $1 million in Jamaican dollars a week, which is a good amount to make off YouTube. So either way, he's definitely making a good living off YouTube. Hopefully these estimates are close by or whatever, and hopefully this video motivates you as an artist to put out even better content on YouTube and not just normal music videos. And as I said about music videos, let's get down into the topic about why I think Intence is actually getting views. So bottom line, I don't think he's actually making or buying views. I believe what is working for him, let's go to today's YouTube channel to show you. So what is working for him, I believe all of these are videos, like literally videos. Most of it, you don't really see him come out with a song and just have cover art for it. It is actually videos. And because people, what do you call it, intention rate or retention rate, I believe it's called, or engagement rate, because you're more engaged in a music video than just watching a cover art. Like, you will go back and play that music video just to see, hey, that sexy girl right there, or hey, Maria told that man that burning spliff right there, or something. Because you're gonna go back over and over and watch it, YouTube is gonna recommend that video over and over. So you'll find YouTube are recommending music video over actually cover art videos. And most of your artists, like average artists in Jamaica, don't really post that much videos. But for Intence, every single one, like I would say 98% of his songs that are on YouTube, there's a music video for it. Like, it might drop like the cover art today and then maybe drop the music video tomorrow. So I think he used that strategy. And as you know, the more you upload on YouTube, the more YouTube will recommend your videos. So I believe that is what is working for him. Because when YouTube just started trending in the country, like at first it was just the United States, and then they put it to like Jamaica and other smaller countries. So when that started, if you remember good, Intence was one of the first one who was like on #1 trending as an artist in Jamaica, and he was trending until the other artists catch on. Like, if you go on the Jamaican trending page right now, I guarantee you won't see a lot of cover arts on the trending page. You will see music videos on trending page, because as I said, you are more likely to go back to a music video and watch that music video longer than how you listen to a song. Because let's, for example, Pikachu, this is a prime example. Pikachu, I don't want to do this video too long, but Pikachu, that song right there, you know, he used a browning mouth for the ashtray. Everybody's gonna go back to that song about 10 times the average person might go back to that sound just to see that part where we put the ash in the browning mode. So I believe that is what is working for Intense and is using it to his advantage. And I believe that other artists and other people should just tell their artists also, say, hey, this is what is working for you too. I think you should try it also, and you'll see that you will definitely get back that same amount of views. But that's pretty much what I'm saying for this video, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section. But until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.